Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Fenix 7 Pro navigation. To begin, press the Start/Stop button on the top right of your watch face. From the activity list, scroll down and select an activity profile that supports navigation, such as run or hike. Once selected, press the Up button to access the menu, then choose Navigation to see your options. This is your gateway to exploring new routes and staying on track during your adventures. Planning your route is simple with Garmin Connect. Open the app or website, then navigate to training and select courses. Here, you can create a new course by drawing on the map or choose from popular routes. Specify your activity type, like cycling or trail running, and save it. Once saved, sync your Fenix 7 Pro with your phone, and the course will automatically transfer to your watch, ready for your next journey. This ensures you have detailed guidance right on your wrist. Once your course is loaded, navigating with your Fenix 7 Pro is intuitive. From your chosen activity, select Navigation and then Courses. Pick your desired route from the list. The watch will display a clear map, showing your current position and the path ahead. You'll receive turn-by-turn directions and alerts if you stray off course, typically within 10 to 15 feet. The Up Ahead feature also shows upcoming points of interest, helping you stay oriented and informed throughout your activity. For added confidence, explore advanced navigation features. If you ever get lost, the Track Back function can guide you directly back to your starting point. Remember to calibrate your compass regularly for accurate heading, especially after significant travel. You can also save specific locations as points of interest directly on your watch, making it easy to navigate back to them later. For longer adventures, consider using Ultra Track Mode, which can extend battery life up to 100 hours, ensuring your navigation lasts as long as your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.